This is my bike check of the Sunday, third wave. Premium skull pivotal seat in black and red. A blue animal seat post and a black Sunday seat post clamp. La Gida. Got a purple animal, don't know if you can see that side, but purple animal bottom bracket. A matte highlighter blue Shadow Conspiracy interlock 2-chain. Just some regular black cranks. They're pretty common. Alienation black sheep rim laced to some black spokes and a hub. I have no clue. It came off of Fit Trail 3. Some Eclat PC pedals. They're blue. Shadow sprocket 25 tooth because that's normal. The Fit forks that came off of my Fit Trail 3. I want to get some of the. I want to get a Black Odyssey Directors. There's a red Alex rim that came off of Miracle Black Pearl 3 that my friend owns. The Fit bars. The animal stem with Shadow stem bolts. It's pretty snazzy. My nice, beautiful cap that I love. It's better than any other cap you'll ever find. Some nice bright red Fit grips. Where are they? And then the Fit bar end that came with the grips. And that's it.